In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional visibility in FlutterFlow. Conditional visibility is a really useful feature when you want a widget to appear only in certain situations and stay hidden in others. For example, you might want to show a message only when a user is logged in, display a button based on an app state value, or reveal content after a database result matches a condition. In FlutterFlow, this can all be set up visually without writing custom code. To get started, open FlutterFlow and load the project you want to work on. Once you're inside the project, go to the page where the widget is located. Next, select the specific UI element you want to hide or show. You can do this either from the widget tree or directly on the canvas. Both methods work, so use whichever feels easier. The important thing is to make sure the correct widget is selected before changing any settings. With that widget selected, move over to the right-hand properties panel, scroll down until you find the conditional section. This is where FlutterFlow lets you control whether a widget should be visible based on rules you define. Now turn on the toggle next to conditional visibility. As soon as you do that, FlutterFlow will open a modal where you can build your condition. Inside this modal, define your if condition by setting the first value and then choosing the comparison logic. This first value could come from several places depending on your app. For example, you might use an authenticated user status, a Boolean app state variable, or a value returned from a database query. Then choose the comparison that makes sense for your case so FlutterFlow knows exactly when the widget should appear. Take a moment here to think carefully about the logic you're creating. Conditional visibility only works as expected when the condition clearly matches the behavior you want. If the widget is showing up at the wrong time or not appearing at all, this is usually the first place to review. Once your condition is set, click Confirm to apply it. After that, if you want to preview how the widget appears inside the editor without running the app, enable the Show in UI Builder toggle. This is especially helpful while designing because it lets you check your layout and spacing, even when the widget is conditionally controlled. And that's how to use conditional visibility in FlutterFlow. It's a simple feature, but it gives you a lot of control over dynamic interfaces and helps make your app feel smarter and more responsive.